Today we have a lot of animals. The first one is a sheep. The next animal is a tiger. This is a tiger. The next one is a rooster. This is a rooster. The next one is a lion. This is a lion. The next animal is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. The next one is a hen. This is a hen. The next one is a sheep. This is a sheep. The next one is a panda. This is a panda. The next animal is a cow. This is a cow. The next one is a deer. This is a deer. The next one is a leopard. This is a leopard. The next one is a lioness. This is a lioness. A horse. This is a horse. The next one is a dog. This is a dog.